forget what you know about breakfast. These three foods rebuild your brain while you sleep. Good morning. If you're over 60 and you've been walking into rooms and forgetting why you're there, misplacing your keys, or struggling to remember names you've known for decades, this video is for you. And no, you're not losing your mind. You may just be losing the right nutrients to feed it. Today, a doctor is going to explain 3 morning foods that have been shown to actually help repair and nourish brain cells while you sleep. Yes, your brain does its most powerful healing at night, and what you eat in the morning sets the entire stage for that overnight restoration process. Let's get into it. Food number 1. Blueberries. These tiny, unassuming little berries are essentially brain medicine in disguise. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and reduce oxidative stress on neurons. In plain English, they fight the rust forming on your brain cells. Studies from Harvard and Tufts University have shown that older adults who eat blueberries regularly show significantly slower cognitive decline. We're talking memory, focus, and processing speed. Add half a cup to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. That's it. Simple, delicious, powerful. Food number 2. Eggs. Don't let anyone take your eggs away. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient most people have never heard of, but absolutely cannot afford to ignore. Choline is a direct building block for acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter responsible for memory and learning. As we age, our ability to produce acetylcholine drops significantly. That's where eggs come in. 2 eggs in the morning can give your brain the raw materials it desperately needs to rebuild and communicate properly. Scrambled, poached, over easy, the brain doesn't care. Just eat them. Food number 3. Walnuts. Look at a walnut. Seriously, look at one. It literally looks like a tiny little brain. Nature is not subtle. Walnuts are one of the richest plant-based sources of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that is the primary structural fat in your brain. Low DHA levels have been directly linked to depression, cognitive decline, and even early Alzheimer's markers. A small handful of walnuts in the morning, just about 7 to 10, can meaningfully contribute to your brain's structural health. Eat them with your eggs, eat them with your blueberries. Just eat them. Now here's what ties it all together. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Even when you eat these foods consistently, many seniors over 60 have impaired absorption. Your gut isn't processing nutrients the way it did at 35. So the best diet in the world can still leave your brain underfed if your cellular health is compromised at the foundation. This is where I want to mention something genuinely helpful, and I promise this isn't the boring ad part. Well, maybe a little. But stick with me. A high-quality omega-3 fish oil supplement with DHA and EPA, specifically one formulated for cognitive support, can be a powerful complement to these morning foods. Think of it as the backup generator when your nutrition grid has gaps. One product that's gotten excellent reviews among seniors on Amazon is a triple-strength omega-3 fish oil capsule. No fishy burps, molecularly distilled for purity, and clinically dosed for brain and heart health. Older adults who've added it to their morning routine alongside these foods report sharper recall, better mood, and more mental clarity within weeks. We've dropped a link in the description below. It's affordable, well-reviewed, and honestly, your brain has been loyal to you for 6 or 7 decades. Maybe it's time to return the favor. Final thought. Brain aging is real, but brain healing is also real. Blueberries for antioxidants, eggs for choline, walnuts for DHA. And if you want to supercharge all of it, check out that omega-3 link below. Start tomorrow morning. Your brain is waiting, and so is your memory of where you left those keys. Don't forget to like, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.